Alright guys, how's it going? Just about to do some stuff to the MR2. Gonna swap out the turbo and pull the blown one. But I figured I would show you how good it looks when the back's up. Kind of drops the front a little bit. Looks pretty cool. Anyways, so it's kind of gross out, kind of gloomy, getting dark. I'll do what I can as far as like lighting and stuff. Probably not gonna swap the whole turbo tonight, but I'll at least be able to get mine out, I think. And let's check out the new turbo. Actually, hold on a sec. Alright, let's open up the turbo box. There she is. Super cool. Right, so there's my turbo. I don't know. It seems pretty tight. I feel like my turbo might be tighter though. But it's got a warranty, so. I don't know. Gonna take mine out and then we'll check it out. Alright, time to start pulling my turbo up. So, next shot, be under the car. So, I figured I'd show you this because it's kind of funny. You know you have a proper project car when, in order to get your turbo off, you had to dig through all your stuff and find a tool that you made a long time ago. So, this is to get out the Allen that goes on the top side of the turbo flange, because you can't get a bolt in because the bolt is too tight on the hole, and you can't get any wrenches in there or anything like that. So, custom Allen wrench. Anyways, back to. Oh, there's the hard one out. I had to use a special tool for. So now time to do the easy-ish ones. Turbo's out the car, which is pretty sweet. Right here. That's a nice shaft play, which I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty audible. Try and get a shot down inside. Well, that shows it really well. Okay. So. So, that's the shaft plate on the old one. New one's better, not a ton better, but I don't know. At least if I have to rebuild it for like the 30 bucks, it's got a shaft that I can mark and put back together. Whereas this one I thought was component balanced, and I did not mark that last time I took it apart. So that might be part of the reason why we ate a turbo. But I think that this is all I'll do for this video, but I will show you something else I got. So here is a eBay blow-off valve. It's at least CNC'd aluminum. It does work, or at least I can push up on it. It's got a pretty tough spring in it. I don't know why they'd send stuff as such a stiff spring. Like, this is the spring they give you for heavy boost, and I can't even compress by hand, and it's supposed to compress down to this size. So if you look at the size of this diaphragm and then this spring in comparison, it's very very stiff. That's definitely like an eBay type thing, giving you an unusable spring and saying it with way too much spring tension. But after taking it apart, I think it's going to at least be decent and work well. Blow-off valves don't blow your engine up, just your turbo's at risk, and I already blow those up and have shitty ones, so we're going to roll with it. I'll probably polish up like the shaft on the inside a little bit so it rides on it better, but other than that, it should be good to go. That's going to be it for this video. Next one, we'll install this on a piece of intercooler piping and start diving into my new turbo, clocking it, getting it modded the right way, as I've ground some stuff off my other one. I gotta like do some stuff with the studs on the turbo, so a few different things, but I'll show you guys all that. So that's it for now, and have a good one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and you can catch me on Instagram at Laristocrat. Anyways, that's all.